Everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about your sewer. More importantly, about troubleshooting problems in your sewer system. Now, you're kind of wondering, wait a minute, prep for today, what is, troubleshooting sewer has to do with prep? Well, prepping for sewer problems can work several ways. One, if you're on a septic tank system, you can prep your septic tank by making sure the microbes and biotics in there are active and working to keep it from plugging up. Two, if you're on city sewer, it's still your responsibility from curb to your house. That sewer part of the sewer line is your responsibility. So one of the ways you can prep for that is learn the skills, learn plumbing skills. Learn about, watch the YouTube videos on how to do it. There's a lot of different things you can do to learn about how plumbing works, fall, size of pipe, requirements and stuff. You can check with your city, county, or state regulatory agency that lays out the requirements for sewer lines and stuff. Now, some older systems were put in using clay pipe. Clay pipe is still allowed in some areas. Some areas they say, no, we don't want clay pipe anymore. We want you to go to PVC. Some areas used to use what's called AC or asbestos cement pipe for the sewers. There's cast iron, ductile iron, as well. As I mentioned, it's PVC. So there's a lot of different types of sewer pipe out there. ABS is the most common one. So find out what your sewer system is, learn about it, and be able to repair it. That also includes getting certain tools, such as a sewer snake or a sewer pig. Now, a sewer pig is basically, it screws on a hose, and it's like so big, and as you turn the water pressure on, it builds up and seals tight against the side of the house of the pipeline before it allows water to shoot out the end, and then it starts pressurizing that area. So if you have a plug down there and you're not quite sure where it is, so you don't have a snake, you can slide that down in, inflate it, pressurize it, and a lot of times it'll blow the water, it'll blow it out. Now, some of the times it won't work is if you have roots that have grown into your system with clay pipe or broken cast iron pipe or broken the asbestos cement pipes where it's cracked and you got tree roots that have grown into it. All it can do is help force some of the stuff through, but you're still going to have a problem in there. So there's a lot of different ways to work on it. Do your research, learn your skills, and take care of it. All right? So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medications, clothing, canning jars, other things, and skills. Why? This is why.